Hello friends and kids. Today we are going to talk about the tomato. The tomato is always ready to eat edible food. Actually it's red in color and berry plant Solanum. The botanical name of the tomato is Solanum lycopersicum. This is the botanical name. You can see the tomato. The wastage of the tomato we put outside here. It will be growing here. You can see you can see that. See the small tomato. Today we are going to discuss about the tomato only. Tomato is it's very easy growing one item, but we are not growing this one also. See, you can see that inside all the small tomato. This will be useful for to cooking all the time. Everyone like tomato. See, even tomato juice also we can prepare from this. You can see that small tomato. You can see all these are the tomatoes. You just throw your tomato, it will be growing. The wastage of the tomato you put and it will be growing like this. You can see that the whole place like the tomato. You can see I go nearby. You can see the big tomato also right now here. You can see that. See, the tomato is here. These are all the tomatoes. See, here is the tomato. You can see. These are all the small tomatoes. We wastage one. Not to growing take time and no need to put this one that one. It's very easy way of growing tomato. Just put water and put the wastage tomato, it will automatically grow. See, these are all the simple items. We inform your kids, they can also grow like that. Keep on telling the kids also like this. Giving information is very good for the kids, because kids are once you inform, they know about the value of the tomatoes, even the value of the food also, and they keep on using this like this, and one day they also know the value of the food, because nowadays we are getting all the items ready-made one. They don't know the value of the food also. So that's why I put this video today. You can see that. You can see the tomato. Very good tomato farming. Because of the wastage only we are making. No need to spend more time for this to grow the tomatoes. You can see that down. This all we can take and cooking. You grow and cooking. This is freshly item, you know. Fresh item we can prepare and cook. The taste is different totally. Not from the canned items, not from the outside items. So you prepare what you need, the vegetable you can prepare it and cook it. It's very good taste. Okay, let's we move on to the video. I will tell you about the tomato little bit idea. I give just an idea only. You can see and enjoy also the tomato how they are growing. Okay, you can see that the tomato is always ready to eat food. Okay, first thing, and always we say the Potlius term they say tomato is an edible food. Edible food means ready to eat food. That is what Potlius terms. And the botanical name of the tomato is Solanum lycopersicum. That is the main thing. And commonly we call it as tomato. Okay, this is commonly we call it as tomato. And it's originated. The tomato is originated in Western Southern America and Central America. These are the place for the originated tomato. And classification, I tell you some classification of the tomato. You can keep an idea. This is not necessary for all the people, because we have so many varieties of tomato. Not I am giving only 2-3 items only. You can keep it in your mind. It's for your good. Keep it in your mind. It's good for you. So classification of tomato is cherry tomato, Roma tomato, San Marzano tomato, and Better Boy tomato, Celebrity tomato, Cherokee purple, black cream. These are all the classification of the tomatoes. And I'm going to tell you the nutritional value of the tomato. Okay, the nutritional value of the tomato is very good. You can check, and whenever you eating any vegetable item or fruit items, you know the nutritional value, and this is the healthy benefits also. So you know the value and then you eat, then only the value of the food you know, otherwise you don't know. So that's why I'm going to explain the nutritional value of the tomato. As per we take 100 gram of tomato, the water content is around 95%. Even the 100 gram of tomato you take, the water content is 195%. Okay, and the 5% of considers mainly of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates contains 5%, and even it contains fiber also. Okay, and we have calories. Calories is 18 gram, 18 gram, and protein also we have in tomato. It's like 0.9 grams, and carbs carbs, that is 3.9 grams. Okay, sugar also we have, it is 2.6 grams, and we have fiber. I already informed fiber, it's like 1.2 grams, and we have the fat also, fat content in the tomato also, that is 0.2 grams. Okay, these are all the benefits for the tomatoes, nutritional value of the tomatoes. And even you people can make juice, even you people can cook it and eat, even you can eat raw, making like salad and eat. This is our choice, how we are eating, that is our choice. But keep on eating tomato, it's good for you, your health. And do not take too much tomato also, it make you acid problem in your stomach also. So not taking too much tomato. So take little tomato and enjoy the taste of the tomato. And I kindly request you people to grow little items in your home and enjoy the taste of the freshly vegetables. Okay, not go for the artificial one like tomato paste, tomato ketchup. These are all the artificial items. I didn't tell to do not use that one. Try to use that one also, but avoid, little bit avoid, and make it own grow cultivation in your home. Like this small 2-3 tomatoes you put, it will grow more tomato. That is the value. Even the tomato 2 piece you put, you get more tomatoes like this. You can see that place. All the place we put wastage tomato, spoiled tomato, like that, it will be growing more. This all whenever cooking time you can take it and prepare. The taste also totally different compared to the paste one or the ketchup one, sachet one. Okay, so I kindly request you to grow the small items in your home and enjoy the taste of the really natural food taste. You can enjoy it and taste it also. So thanks for watching Tirunar YouTube channel. Keep on watching Tirunar YouTube channel. I am here to entertain you at all the time. See you on next video. Bye bye guys. Thank you so much.